Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a fun little thing I've been working on and just do a little craft along with me. And you guys, brand new Fabri-Tac. I don't know about you, but don't you just love it when you open a brand new one? I just love it. Okay, so yes, this project. So I made a kit, this was out of my comfort zone because I'm actually not like a huge Halloween fan, but I wanted to try something new. So I did like an actual kind of spooky, macabre kind of a Halloween kit, and it was actually really fun. So I wanted to share you. I made a bunch of the loaded pockets, just these pocket kits, just for some fun ephemera, and they can be used in tons of ways, so I love that. All right, so I'll just go through it. They come in like sheets like this, just every one of them, and there's 10 different styles. This is the spider one, super fun. Look at the little black widow. Anyway, super fun. That has a fun little web. And so I print mine on a lightweight cardstock. I'll show you. It's pretty lightweight, but I like it to have a little substance because it's a pocket and the tags. So all parts of that I like to be a little heavier. So I do it on a lightweight cardstock. Cut them, ink them, and then the real fun begins because then you get to decorate all of them. So this is the first one that I did. Way fun. I'll kind of show you how it all goes together. So there's the backing piece, and then you just glue on your pocket. You could sew it if you wanted. I just glued it. And then I put a fun little word from the Fall Words kit. And this is just a rusty paper clip that I had, but I just love that look for Halloween. And then cheesecloth, perfect for Halloween. Looks like mummy wrappings or something. But anyway, way fun. And then this little piece that I put in it, I just got this out of the cover of a book. And it's just really, it's genuinely old, which I love to have something like authentic in each one or something just a little different. So that's not part of the kit. That's just a fun extra that I added for that piece. And then this is what every kit has, is the backing, the pocket, and then 3 tags. So a large tag and 2 small ones. And this one I just put the little rivet and some fun little lace and a tiny little paper clip with a key because, I don't know, keys are spooky, right? So that goes right here. And then just 2 little tags. I left these ones blank just because I don't think it needed anything else after all the lace and extras. So super fun. So that one's done. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to craft with you for a couple more. I kind of did all the prep work so you don't have to sit through that part. But then you can kind of see how it all goes together. So here's an owl one. I added, can you see that? I added little teeny jewels to the owl's eyes because I thought, ooh, that's kind of cool. So brand new Fabri-Tac. Woo, that's brand new, all right. I'm gonna have to wipe that away. That's too much. We don't want that much. We want a very thin line. Am I in camera? Yep. So just a very thin line around the 3 sides, and you want to stay close to the edge because you want room inside your pocket for all your tags. So, and these are all pre-inked. I love this background. Isn't that cool? If you wanted, you could just use this for a photo backing and then set the pocket somewhere else on your page. You know, there's just countless ways you can use these. If you want to put them together like this is how it goes. But if you don't want to hide that beautiful tree, then you can find ways around that too. So I get it. Do what you want. All right, awesome. Now I made kind of just a fun little collage. This is just a little bit of lace that I had that's coffee dyed. So just fun. And I'm just gonna kind of collage with this. I wanted to wrap it around the paper like so, because number 1, I didn't want to hide the owl. And number 2, I thought that would be fun on the back too, if you journaled back there or anything like that. That would be fun to have like a little extra bit there. And then I probably don't need my serious glue. This is just some dictionary paper, and I just had a scrap, so I just inked the edges just for fun. And that's gonna go on my little owl collage. So I'll put that where I want to see the bottom of my lace though. There we go. Just stick that right there. And then I have a little October tag that I'm just putting on there because I thought that would be fun. When I layer, I like to try and get something that has texture, like a fabric or a lace. And I like to get something with like tiny words or like a map or something like that. And then like a word or a phrase. And then if I really get into it, I add a little bit of ephemera. This is just a wax seal, and I thought it kind of just fit the color scheme of it. So I thought I will just stick that right there, and it will just kind of add a little extra. So I just have this fun collage going on. All right, now for the tags. So for this one, I have this fun little owl tag here. Now I'm gonna sew this in place, but I'm not gonna do that while you're on camera because that's boring. So, but I will, what I did is I have like a hole punch that cuts an oval rectangle, and then I just did 2 in a row so it would make it long enough for my lace to fit through like that. If you can see that, perfect. And then I'm just gonna sew right along here, and I sew it at an angle just to get more bang for my buck with my lace, because then you'll see more of it. So that is going in here, and that's my big tag for this one. Now another little thing I did with this one is I just had another scrap from that same book page that I had in the other one, that same book. And I just kind of inked this up and I put it in a cute little glassine envelope. And then it's just a little journal spot. And I just glued a little extra number thingy on there just to add a little something, you know how we always got to add another little something. All right, and then these are the 2 tags that came with it, and I just have this little hole punch that does these fun little, and I just thought, oh, that's different, and then I don't do the lace or anything with it, and it just kind of shows you different fun options that you can do with it. So super fun. All right, I love how that one turned out. Awesome, awesome. Okay, and I have one more that I wanted to show you. It's the skull kit, and this is just fun. Like, I just love this background. I have a hard time covering them up, but sorry, you got to. Then here's the skull kind of collage paper, and I did a Halloween with some more cheesecloth because, you know, I'm telling you, cheesecloth and Halloween, it's the perfect match. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue the 3 sides again of that little pocket. And I thought these would be fun to do like Halloween invites or journaling about, or you can make them like, it would be fun to make that, like put them back to back and do it as like a page, you know, that bends over the side of a page. That would be super fun. You could tuck them in like just a tuck spot or a belly band. You could glue it straight to the page. There's just so many good options. All right, and then for the big tag on this one, I have I did the little rivet again, and I have a cute little bulb pin. And since Halloween's October 31st here in the States, I did a little 31 charm, and I wanted to kind of emphasize there's a little bit of like red in there, and it's on some of the other stuff, so I wanted to emphasize that red and kind of make it pop. So I did some fun little red sari silk, and that's my big tag for this one. Cute, cute. I love that little charm. And for my little extra, I'll show you what I've done here, but this is just a little envelope, and I put one of the tags in here. Where did that extra tag come from? That's cool. Oh, it came from another kit. I need it. I guess it works. It works. So I just put a little extra tag in there for journaling. And then I'm just going to glue this down to the front because I just didn't think that the craft paper fit the style. So I wanted to do a little extra to it. So I'm just going to glue this to cover that craft envelope cover. And you don't have to. Just personal preference, whatever you want. And I inked that up. That's not personal preference. You must ink. Just kidding. You don't have to, but we do, right? Okay, and I just had this little extra tidbit that I thought was cute, and so I just stuck it on there. And look at this teeny tiny paper clip. Am I in focus? Yeah. Isn't that cute? It's so tiny. And that's just gonna go right here. And then that'll tuck right in my little pocket. Ooh, I'm coming out the sides. There we go. I should have let that dry a little longer. Anyway, so cute, cute. And then the 2 tags, I didn't do anything special. This is how they are. I just added the cute little rivets. And I could add some, eyelash lace would be really cute there with the little fuzzies coming off it. It would just fit the style of kind of matching this kind of, the Haunted Mansion from Disneyland kind of a feel. Anyway, super fun kit. And you just load that in however you want it and you're good to go. But anyway, that kind of gives you an idea. There's so many ways to use them. Really, the sky's the limit. If you glued it down in a book, you could glue it on 3 sides and then use that as a tuck spot here too and get another little tuck in there. So, I mean, just awesome possibilities and such a stretch for me creatively to do a Halloween kit. So it was really just a good reminder to step out of that comfort zone and try something new. And boy, it was very rewarding and very fun. So I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. And I hope you get to look at something and step out of that comfort zone and do something that stretches you and that you can love and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.